will only avoid any confrontation with the enemy. He'll forget his evil ways and learn to love us. All who oppose, all who oppose.
Well, what up, Money Squad? And like we all like to say, brick by brick. Welcome to the channel, all my new family members or Hon.Hi continued family members. Thank you for rocking with me as we continue on our journey. Now we done passed 2K, we on the 3K. And like I said, I haven't forgot everybody. I'm gonna do the get 2K giveaway. It might be close to the 3K giveaway at the rate it's going, but that's okay. Keep spreading the word. I just want to wait till who has the heat battle and championship is over, and then we're gonna do the giveaway. We're gonna do it real big. So make sure you keep that notification bell on. I hope everyone had a great time at SneakerCon. Did it real big. Shout out to my fam, McFly KOF, 313 Retro Queen, and PM Kicks for holding it down. If y'all haven't, check them out. I'll put the description below. Check them out. Also, the homie Snooch Customs for customized stuff, and the Bro Money Run clothing using that code Do What You Like. And as you've seen, pretty soon coming the Emoneyshoes merch. And I haven't did a vid in a while, but let's go. Let's get right into it. You can see it's a small box, so you already know it's a GS. Got to make sure the girls are fly. This is a 7Y Jordan 6 ring grade school. Official colorway black, metallic gold, white. 130 of them things. If y'all didn't know, grade school are just like men. So for females, if you wear 8.5, you can wear these. Maybe a 9, so 8.5 in women's, 9. Maybe a 9 in women's you might be able to get, but definitely 8.5. You'll be all G. Inside, you got the sticker Ricker with a stamper ramp. Got these from the homies down at Foot Action Flight 23 in Waikiki. You got your paper. You always know I keep that receipt on deck. Got it for 115 of them things. I lost a little bit because now they only give 15% off instead of 28, but a deal is a deal. So how we always like to do it, and got to get back on this Eric for the one time. Very, very crispy. Let's go get that ass shot right there. As you can see, flip it over right there. 6 rings. You got a little bit of everything, right? You got the 13s underneath the bottom, and then you got the carbon fiber. I think that's the 13 look. Yeah, 13 look. Then you got the bubble. 6 ring is a combination of the 6 championships, if you didn't know it. You got the patent leather right here. You got the 2-3 and like the new buck suede right there. Very, very dope. Then you got the 6 right here because you got the Jumpman on the lace lock. Then you got the 8 right here with the carpet, which is very, very dope. Hopefully that's coming through clear. Then you got new buck here on the tongue. You got the baby Jumpman here as well. And you can see you got some hits of the 11 on the shoe. You got it right here. And you have, let me see, you got it right here. That's 11 right, and this is 11 right here as well. You got the bunny ears, the Air Jordan 8 right here, of course. Then you got the speckles here at the bottom. I think that's still that's a 13, I want to say. Yeah, 13. Then on the back, the 6, because you like sports cars, so you got that spoiler on the back of the shoe, and you got the stitched in Air. You see you got some more spackle stitch, not bad on this shoe. You got hits of leather right here on that butt as well. Coming around on the medial side, you got this like this blacked out eyelet. So I mean, it's a very, very dope shoe. Like you said, you got the carbon fiber right there as well. Inside, so you got 91, 92, and 93 was the year of the championships that was won. And then you see board size 7. Actually, in this shoe, I only see, what is that, 8. So I see 8, 6, 11, 13. I know I'm missing some. It's been a while since I did a review on the 6 ring. So fill in the blanks if you want to, but you get the picture. 6 rings will be all of the, a shout out to all 6 of the championships. Then you got your shoe tree inside. All Jordans. This one says 7 to 7.5. So now that goes, and then you got the booty right there for your ankle support, and you don't want it to be rubbing and all of that good stuff. No QR code in here. Production date is 8/1/18 to 11/2/18. I think it's a very, very dope shoe, especially if you got a small foot. So on a little meter, I give us a 4.5 out of 5. From the cap, it's a pretty dope shoe. I'm still looking in the video and I just don't know what. Gotta make the collection more well rounded. So again, 4.5 out of 5. Leave a comment suggestion below. Let me know what you think. Tell a family member, a friend as we move to that 3K. It's Emoneyshoes and I'm out. Peace.